Hey, TikTok. You don't know me. You probably don't want to know me because I look so pretty. I look like an angry lesbian that's ready to go do meth on the streets. But I used to be first runner-up to Miss America. Yes, I did. Fooled ya. My name is Colin Hill, and this is what addiction looks like. So, I'm gonna put this on TikTok because it's important. I want you to see this because it's a very important message. I have a black eye. I'm gonna walk you over to where this was. That's my mother and me. That's all the stuff I used to do. But I am an alcoholic, and I've been struggling with this since I was 24, and I just got out of 30 days in jail. I thought I'd give myself a trim when I got out of jail, just to spruce it up a bit. But I'm okay. I'm not okay, but yeah, figuratively. But I just wanted to give a message to all of you to let you know that there's hope. I'm going to be okay. I have a wonderful son and a husband who loves me very much, but I just want to say, please, if you are relapsing, stop. I had 4.5 years sober. I know what sobriety is like, and it's wonderful, but I was in jail, and I had told them, this was for a second DUI, and I had had 4.5 years sober. My husband is sober, and we got sober 12 years ago together. And he has stayed sober, and by the grace of God, I'm lucky that he has stayed with me. But for whatever reason, the devil keeps taking me back to drinking, and it's not worth it. So I'm done, one day at a time. I've gotten sober through AA before, and I'm going to do it again. But just don't do it. It's easier to stay stopped than it is to stop. So I've just come from jail, serving my time that I owed for my second DUI, and this will be my journey. So please stay tuned, and I'm going to be held accountable. But I'm so much better when I'm sober. You're like, yeah, no kidding, because you look like crap. But please just trust me. I've lost so many friends to this disease, and it's not worth it. And jail sucks, and I'm really funny, so it'll get better, I promise. I'm pretty funny when I'm get my stuff together, so. But thanks for listening, and see you tomorrow. Bye.